Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I had expected. Gemini, oh my gosh, what is happening? I do want to show you, and I am going to show you, that you can now remove watermarks, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That is an early birthday present. Thank you so much, Google, for letting us get rid of that annoying thing in the corner, because I am sick of cropping it out and sick of going into Photopea and trying to match what color it is supposed to be. So we don't have to do that anymore. It's going to take it out. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, I recorded this video and I do like to show what works and what doesn't work. And yeah, Gemini just freaked out. What is happening? And it's pretty interesting and funny. However, as it does it, it also does exactly what I want it to. I'll show you, watch it, see if you think it's interesting. If not, maybe I'll make a second one where I'm just showing how it all works perfectly. But I think these weird things are kind of interesting as well. Let's get started. I'm in Google Gemini and I'm looking at a picture that I created, I think in May. I think in May. I had a project that I was working on in May and I had to create a bunch of images for it. I think I didn't use this one, or I think what I might have done is cropped it just so you saw from, drapes on either end to get rid of this nonsense right here. All right, so what we need to do here is we just go to the settings, media, watermark, on, off. And what I'm going to try, and we'll see how this works. I don't know if this will work or not. If it doesn't, we'll try the other way. So I'm going to try, please regenerate. We're just trying this out right now. I've got, what have I got? Flash. Yeah, Flash is good. All right, let's see. Let's see. All right. All right. Well, it tried it with the Navy, which I actually, what, gave me 3. Okay, thank you. I actually just want to regenerate this exact same. Oh, it gave me 4. Well, thank you, Gemini. I actually just want it to look like it looked before. Oh, and some different angles. Good Lord, how many did I get? Gemini made a whole bunch of changes. Let's see. One, it's still churning away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I kind of don't want to lose these. 7. Oh boy, 8. Okay. Hello, Gemini. Is it still going? This is so weird. This is so weird. I just turned on to record to see how it happened, and I just turned this on to record to see what went on, and I was just expecting it either to do it with the watermark or not with the watermark. I wasn't expecting a whole bunch of different ideas here. I am very partial to Ming. I am kind of liking this. Is maybe a little bit Ming overkill. This is unexpected stuff. So choice A is just, I don't know what's happening. What is happening? Oh, it's making up fake words at the bottom. I think I broke Gemini. Oh my gosh, what is happening? What is happening? What is it's it's got like weird space or sea stuff. It's still going. Oh, is it done? No, it's not done. All right, I'm gonna make a second video. This is just a video showing whatever the hell's happening right now. And we'll have another video and we'll talk about the fact that we can remove the watermark. Okay, so here's what's happening. It's apparently still happening. All right. My picture, it's virtually identical. I'd have to lay them on top of each other to make sure exactly, but I mean, yeah, I mean, it's like the same fire, whatever. And then it was like, oh, would you like a whole bunch of Ming? Oh no, it did put the Ming up here to match the blue, and then it gave me this blue thing. And then it added this little table here and some books. It's more Ming in this Ming. Got a bookcase. Now we don't even have the fireplace. I don't even know what the hell's going on. And these are more like cherry sofa things. Now we got another rug. They've got a desk. So this just basically become a completely different room. Oh no, I guess this is supposed to be. We're viewing it from here. We're viewing it from here. Hell, man, I don't know. All right, and now we got these leather sofas that kind of don't make sense for traditional furniture, but would be in a house that looked like that. All right. Um, what the fuck? And then we got this weird tree. Right, it's just like this is then it's got this, and then it's kind of like a copper color. All right, we're keeping the copper color. Now we got a ship. We got these feather now we got this one and this one. And this chunk of wood now gets more fancy, and on top of it is like a diorama of like a house. Who knows what? And then we get to then now we got stained glass. And this is green. All right, we still have a diorama. This, and then now it's put little people and a little plaque inside the diorama. I just wanted to show you could remove a watermark. But one thing that I do like to do in my videos is to show you things going absolutely bananas. Yet this would be an example of, AI gone wild. I like to show you what's working and what's not working now. Now it's sort of like a little bit of ah, a little bit of stained glass at the top, but then we can also see out again. Drapes just gone on. Oh, I guess the drapes were gone. I guess the drapes been gone and I haven't noticed. That's weird. That's weird. That would look very weird if you walked into this room and there was just like this one window, the same size as all the other windows, didn't have any drapes. But yep, that's AI. That's a. Oh, okay, okay. So I'm sorry, I'm getting so confused. Okay, so we got what we had in Navy, essentially, with a few accessories to make it semi-match. All right, we leaned into the Ming vases and the Ming whatever, a little more blue accents. Kept it kind of the same, sort of a different angle. Now we got a desk. Now we got these. Oh, I guess it's a sofa and what the hell happened? Oh, this doesn't even have the. Oh Lord, this table. Got rid of. All right, I wasn't even paying that much attention. Because they had put okay, so nothing, and then we've got the table, and we got a table, and then or it looks like a chest, right? This extra table. I don't even know, man. Now we got this obscuring the vision. We've got this like diorama, perhaps, of the house this is supposed to be. I don't know. We randomly have two globes. We also have quill pens. And then we got the diorama, and now we've got just little figurines. There's probably some weird stuff, so I want to see that a little bit. And now we just went, oh no. Oh, I seem to okay. Damn. I seem to be encountering an error. Can I try something else for you? I was looking at those because the last one I only got it for a second, but it had like five globes. That was just extra entertainment. It gave me both at the same time. Lickety split, it did give me this picture. Don't die on me. Don't die on me. I'm clicking refresh. I don't know what the hell's gonna happen here, man. Let me? Is it gonna let me? What? Okay. All right. Oh, and now it just brought me back to my prior chat like that just never happened. I got a witness. I got a witness. Here we go. Here we go. So fantastic. Anyway, so that's why I pressed record, was to show you that you can remove the watermark. And it momentarily had a split personality. One half was psychotic, and the other half just did exactly what I asked it to do. Look at this. It is damn near identical, if not identical, and the only thing that's missing is that watermark. And you can do that with your images. And if you get something weird, let me know. I've never seen anything like that. I don't know what the heck happened. I'm sorry now that I can't go back and see everything that it did because it was getting progressively weirder and weirder. And I would have liked to evaluate that. But we got it, and we got it without the watermark. All right, thanks. See ya.